Hi, wanna know how to adjust volume with gestures on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So the first step is that we would need to download and then open Xiaomi Earbuds application. Here, connect your earbuds and then go to this tab which is named Gestures. Here, as you can see, we got a big list with some gestures that are responsible for some action. But we got here these two which doesn't have any action pinned on them. So here on the tab left and right earphone ones, we can choose anything we would like to. So for example, by clicking on the left earphone here, we can set it as volume up, and on the right one, we can set it as volume down. And now every time when you will tap on the sensor on your earbud, the volume should adjust. Now let's test it. So I'll open Spotify to play some songs. And now I'll take the earbud. As you know, the sensor on your earbuds is located on the leg of the earbud by itself in this middle line that you can see. And now let's test it. I'll tap a few times on the sensor and you can see that the volume is decreasing because this is the right earbud. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.